Yo, time for the daily recap. First, we're gonna go over how I did today. Finished up $137. Nothing huge, but an okay day. The only reason it wasn't a great day is UAMM. Bought this morning at 0.039 right here. Looked like it was gonna have a heck of a morning spike. It didn't. Volume just fell out after the first minute. Wound up selling it at 0.036 right here, I think. Lucky to get out there, as I did, and it was just a trash stock. They had a Metaverse PR this morning. Thought it was going to run, but obviously it didn't very far. I think adjusting my strategy a little bit further, I'll wait until after the first 2 minutes to see if a stock is actually going to have a morning spike. Then I made it up on AITX. This one actually almost went south on me as well. I bought in this morning, right in this area. At first time I bought in was 936. So I bought in right here, 0.025-ish, as it was breaking through 0.025. This big red candle scared the bejesus out of me. It's down another 300 on that one. It was able to recover, and I bought more here, and then I bought more. I bought more at 942, and then I bought more at 946 as it came back up. I think I got more at 239 or something there. Had like a 253 average, and then it spiked pretty good, and I got all out right here at 275. I tried to sell 3/4 of it, but I didn't want to change my order. Charged me another $6.95 in commission, so I just sold it all at 275. Turned out to be a pretty decent play. If I had gone out a little bit further, obviously I could have made a little more, but then it just fell apart. So I'm not mad at that sell at all. Try and avoid trades like UAM in the future, and then it would have been a really good day. A $430 winner on AITX. Let's take a look at how the stuff off the watch list went. IQST, if I can type, will be in good shape. There it is. IQST, it was a morning panic dip by 77 cent area. A support level is where I was estimating. It wasn't really a good morning panic dip buy. It did bounce off that level a little bit, but nothing. There wasn't a straight enough drop for me to be interested in playing it as a morning panic dip buy. OWUV. So if you remember on the watch list, I was looking for a dip to 0.26-ish, and then red-green move, looking for a first green day as it's down big 3 days in a row. There was a dip this morning, but it was only to 2.9, and then they dropped a bullcrap PR this morning. So it bounced a little bit, but again, nothing I was interested in playing as it didn't set up the way I wanted it to. Going to keep that one on watch for a first green day bounce idea. And next one, ENZC. This is a morning spike candidate right off the watch list. This thing was beautiful, actually. Could have bought in on the morning spike, made a little there, 10%, and then could have played it here at when it broke the previous high a day, but that was midday, so I wasn't super interested in that. And I thought about taking it here, but the volume wasn't there, and then I took it off my screen for a little bit. The volume started coming in, and it ran up the rest of the day an extra 20%. So that was a really good runner today. Straight off the watch list. Make sure you hit that follow button so that you can see stocks like that before it happens. AITX was looking for a continuation. Obviously, I played that, made some money this morning. There was some continuation. It wound up failing. So that's why, again, we take the meat of the move and get out quickly and get on to the next one. T-Soy didn't do a dang thing today. That's fine. Another good runner that we had today was NNMX. I did not play this one. It was really kind of too liquid for me. We're trading under 500,000 shares a minute. Wasn't my style of play, but congrats to all of those that did take it. What else do we have today? TGHI, again too illiquid for me. Nothing that fits my style there, but congrats to those that did play it. ASTI. This one I probably would have played if I'd seen it a little earlier. It was kind of illiquid, but it started to gain some traction here. Could have played the high daybreak there. I was watching it this afternoon to see if it set up to break out of this channel intraday, but this little dip here scared me out of it, so I didn't take a trade there either. So less is more. I'm working on my over trading problem. Getting rid of the losers is the biggest thing that I need to do right now, and not the ones that have a good thesis and just don't work, because that does happen. You can't be right all the time. But getting rid of the random ones that cost me and I shouldn't have been in the first place, kind of like UAMM this morning. Got a little trigger happy on that one. Anyways, hit that like button, hit that follow button. We have daily recaps that come out just like this one, but more importantly, we have the morning watch list where I lay out what stocks I think could be big movers pre-market, and whether I play them or not. You saw just now that I didn't play a lot of them, but a lot of them played out just how I thought they would. So maybe I need to start watching my watch list a little more. Anyways, we also have the Trading 101 video series covering the basics of trading. See you later.